Welcome to this new video. I am the PC Collector and today I'm going to bring you one of my most um, valued machines, not because it is rare or anything else, but because it was my first laptop. This IBM ThinkPad T30, which I bought second-hand on 2006 or so, and which, as you can see, it is requiring quite a lot of love, a huge lot of it. It's missing the screen, the keyboard is partially faulty, the fan assembly requires to be replaced, the bezel is broken. So yeah, this laptop is quite in poor shape, but I fortunately have found this another unit on eBay which is the same model, and it works more or less. At least the screen works, the fan works. It has all the parts I require to restore my computer to its former glory. This computer, I could repair it. If required, I could repair it. But having another machine which requires the parts is really not worth the effort. In fact, you can see that the machine is already partially disassembled because I removed some parts looking for checking if I could repair it easily. But no, I don't really I can't really repair it easily, so I'm going to use it for its original purpose, which is serving as spares for my original one. So the first thing I'm going to do is to strip this one apart so I can take all the parts I need. Fortunately, I have the user manual on my main laptop. So yeah, everything everything. I'm not sure if I need to take out the DVD drive, but I'm going to take it anyways. So now, keyboard is removed, pretty much everything is removed. Oh, I'm going to take out the provisional. I made this provisional battery assembly to test it, but yeah, not really needed. Since that one of the few things which work properly on my unit is the system battery, so yeah. So now I have already removed the keyboard. Don't worry, it will be shown in the other one because I have to take out the bezel and everything, so yeah, it will be shown. Also, you might notice that this one has a touchpad, which that other one doesn't. But I'm not sure if the other both has the touchpad, the touchpad connector. I don't really care because I don't like the touchpad anyways. So yeah. The ones in the lower part are already removed, and it says that I have to pull out the touchpad connector, so I did. And now I have to pull from here. The screws on the lower part are already removed, so this should come out easily. That's the theory, because the practice is not going so easy, because it has I'm going to have to pry. Okay, now it should come out like this, and it did. I'm not sure why this doesn't come out. Okay, let's. It doesn't tell me how I'm supposed to detach that connector. Okay. It wasn't really attached. It had sort of glued itself due to the age. Okay, nice. So now I can start working on removing the screen. So it is supposed to have a screw here. Which one is? Should be this one. Okay. It says that I have to unplug a cable from belonging to the screen, which I can't really find. I'm going to detach the, since I need to remove it anyways. I'm going to detach the CPU fan, because it will allow me to see more clearly where the cable is. connected. So this now exactly. Let's carefully pry the connector out. Oh, okay, those cables are the one from the mini PCI slot. Okay, the ones belonging to the Wi-Fi card, which this computer has and mine doesn't. Okay. Okay, I'm going to have to take it out of the camera for a moment because I can't see well enough. Okay, as you can see, I have already taken out the CPU fan. So now I'm going to take out the mini PCI slot. Because yes, it has a Wi-Fi card. So I have to take out those connectors. And take them out to the other side. Now I have to carefully pull them out. I said pull them out. Easier said than done. Okay. So now next step, taking out the two remaining screws. Okay, so I have to take out this screw here, this screw here, and now I should be able to pull out the screen. Let's free the cables, and the screw is successfully detached from this laptop. Okay, you are no longer needed, you have served your purpose. I'll probably keep the board anyways because it has some spare parts I could need eventually. Well, now it's time to start disassembling this one so I can start swapping parts. These screws are removed. Now this should come out. As you can see, it's broken. So yeah, I'm going to replace it, and also I've seen that it has the connector for the touchpad, so it's nice. Let's remove the Hey, I forgot about two screws. Two or three, I don't remember if this one requires to be removed. I'm going to remove it anyways. Add with you. Add with you. Out with you. So now it should come out. What the? What doesn't come out? Oh, another hidden screw here. Why manufacturers put so many screws on everything is something I'll never understand. What are they fearing, that the parts of the computer are going to run away if they don't? Now it comes out. Okay. I'm going to take advantage of this to get the hard drive out, because yeah, as you can see, the cover is broken and doesn't support the drive. Fortunately, it's easy to take out it from here. I'm going to check the CPU because, oh, in fact this one is faster than the other one. This is 1.9 GHz, the other one is 1.8, so I'm going to keep this CPU. I had the doubt of which one was faster. I'm going to open the door of the mini PCI cover because I'm not sure. Yeah, it's what I thought. This one doesn't have the Wi-Fi card, so I'm going to use the Wi-Fi card from the other computer, because why not? I don't really see any reason to not do it. So yeah. First things first. I'm going to put in the screen. It should slide. Oh, if I remove the screws before, it will be better. This screw out. This screw out. It should slide in here, but it doesn't for some reason. What's wrong? Oh, because I placed one of the screws back so it would have better support. Yeah, of course the screw was preventing the and it went in. I have to put this in, but I have no idea how this goes in, so I'm going to check the cooler I want. Let's place the cooler. Which I'm going to clean because it has old thermal paste, which is not going to be nice. Clean the old thermal paste. Clean the old thermal paste in the CPU as well. And put a tiny bit of this here. Second, I have to weld the connector in. Here it is. Let's screw it in. And now before closing it, let's make some quick testing to see if it works properly. Going to band I'm not having signal on the screen. Okay, this is not good. This is not good. This is very not good. Okay, machine works. You're not saying it because it's on the outside screen, but the machine still works. It's not sending video to the screen. Okay, it was a problem with the configuration because it has been without the screen for years. But you can see that it now is working with the screen. So okay, it's false alarm. It works. Okay, I was genuinely scared. So I can take out the screen. It seems that the battery is dead, so I'm going to have to replace it. Okay, let's turn it off and turn it on again and see if the keyboard with the screen. Yeah, you can see how the screen is responding. So it was a configuration error because it has been working for years without the screen. I'm not sure if I should keep the keyboard or I should keep the French one because the power on button doesn't work really well. Okay, I'm going to. I think that the battery could be dead. So I'm going to do some quick testing in that regard. And yes, save. Oh, I have it misconfigured, right? It's again not showing anything. Oh, it's not showing anything right now. It's not showing anything, period. Okay. Let's turn it on, turn it off. Something's not working properly here. Okay, now I don't have signal on either screen. I don't know. Well, I've done some testing and I've realized that the problem was the connector not being properly secured due to the antenna cables not being properly placed, and also a BIOS configuration problem, which I already solved, and I also replaced the CMOS battery to keep the configuration, and I made it into a separate tutorial which you can check in this video here. And so now which remains is to finish assembling the computer, the rest of the computer. So let's unplug it. Let's unplug the ASRT keyboard, and now you have too many stuff. Since I have the connector for the touchpad, I'm going to use the bezel of the French computer, which besides not being broken, it has the touchpad. It's not like I like touchpads, but yeah, it's a situation of why not. Let's clean this. is not going to properly adjust because the rear part here is missing. So yeah, but well. I forgot this plastic here, which I have no idea what it is supposed to do, but it has it, so I'm going ahead and assume that it serves some kind of purpose. And the hard drive, which I'm going to take also the cover. I'm going to replace it by the usual M2 case. Come here. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. has been quite tricky to put it in place. But now just place the cover and oh, for the love of God. For the love of God. That metallic thing is pressing the cover and make it not fit. Actually, that metallic thing does nothing, so... Oh, come on. Oh, freaking come on! I've used this drive on this machine before, so it fits. Why it is not fitting right now? Oh, come on. Well, it is not fitting because for some reason it doesn't align properly. So let's try with yeah, with the computer in horizontal, it fitted perfectly. So well, we are now ready to start getting this machine back in shape.